All right, class, we are going to put our words in our notebook now, but we're going to put them all on the same page. So I've got to get better at making sure we do this, but after we learn our words, we want to take time to put them on our lessons page as well. So that chunk in the middle, we just keep a record of all the different spelling words that we've learned. All right, so we want to be on page 40. And so we want to be on the bottom right-hand corner right here. And I'll see if we can go back and fill in these other lessons. Hope we have time for that sometimes. All right, and this is lesson, I like to just label it the list that we're working on. We're working on list G of words, and this is the fourth section of it. So I label it G-4. All right, I don't want you copying. I'm gonna help you spell the words. And if you're not sure, you can always start on your practice paper first, because I know erasing can get kind of frustrating. All right, so the first word was patch. Patch. All right, class, which ch do we use in patch? Good. Ch, three-letter ch, used after a single vowel that says a, I, or a. So write patch. And after you finish writing it, you can mark it. All right, this is what our, if you're not finished, pause the video so you can finish. This is what our patch would look like and how it would be marked. And when we're working in our notebook, we want to give each word its own line, unless we run out of space or we're doing different forms of a verb, and then we'll put them on the same line. But generally, everything gets its own line. All right, the next word is whole. What do we use to make our a, o, u say o in whole? Excellent, silent final E, job 1. So write whole. After you've written it, do all the markings. All right, this is what our whole would look like. Remember, we don't want to randomly mark as we're writing. After we write, we go back to the beginning of the word and make sure we mark everything that needs a marking. All right, the next word is zip. You know how to do that without any help. All right, this is our zip. Does that need any markings? No. All right, the next word is zipper. What do we need to do to our last consonant in our 111 word before we add that vowel suffix er? Excellent, we need to double it. And how many syllables are in zipper? Good. So the first syllable is what? Good, zip. The second one, we have our doubled consonant. And then which er? Good, the of her. So go ahead and write zipper. Do your syllable break and the markings. All right, what's the first syllable in zipper? Good. And the last syllable? Good, we have a double and which er? The of her, of course. How do I mark this? Good, it's silent. And of course, that needs an underline. All right. The next word is pants. You don't need any help with that. Pants. All right, pants. All right, the last one is lady. What's the first syllable of lady? Good, lay. And the second syllable? Good, D. Lay and D. All right, what kind of syllable is our first syllable in lady? All right, good, it's an open syllable. And how about D? What kind of syllable is that? Good, that one's also an open syllable, but which E do we use in D? Good, yeah, I-E. So write your two syllables in lay, D, and then mark them. All right, this is our first syllable and our second syllable, D. All right, so I'm going to work on making sure we always come back and do a short review so that we get the words in our notebook. Great work, class. I'll see you in the next video.